Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog on this beautiful Christmas day in Brooklyn, New York. I hope you had fantastic holidays, and they're still going on. I still got a week of celebration ahead, and so do you, before the New Year's hit. And I hope you got all the gifts that you wanted to get. Speaking of gifts, YouTube presented me with a gift. They gave me an opportunity to be able to have memberships and to have people join the channel. So on top of being able to subscribe, you can now join. And at this point, I just kind of wanted to take advantage of it and roll it out. I don't have any exclusive content there, and the point is that all my daily vlogs and all my videos, I want them to be available for everybody. But in the future, there will be some exclusive content and some other perks that could be valuable, such as some camping stuff and some other videos and locations of some of the rides. But yeah, so I just wanted to bring to y'all attention that now you can join, and that's why you're probably looking at this video and looking at the join button. So at this point, it's just, when you become a member, you're just showing support. You're just beyond all the views and all the comments and all the likes and all that stuff. You just want to have a little badge next to your name saying that you're a true supporter of the vloggy vlog. And I know it sounds extremely cheesy, but it is what it is. It is what it is. YouTube gave me that option for a reason. So anyway, as always, I want to thank you all for watching and subbing and commenting and all of that good stuff. And I'm about to go for a ride and record another little vloggy vlog. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.